world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, NFTs, crypto, and all the ways how to get to the money. I'm Wasu.
I'm Hamed.
And today we're talking about desktop metal.
Let's go.
Hey guys, we've called desktop metal a few times on our platform. You know that it is our favorite stock. Long term, we are all in, and they've had a tremendous quarter. So we wanted to come to you guys today to talk about the quarter. We're going to be producing weekly videos, if not daily videos, on desktop metal because we have gone all in on this particular company. We love this company so much. So recently they had their quarter earnings report. Tell the people how they did.
Yeah, so they just recently had their Q4 earnings report, and just before going into the nitty gritty, the stock went up major. It is up about 48% from where it was previously. So they basically beat their Wall Street expectations. They had expectations of about 54 million in revenue. They surpassed that. They did 60 million in revenue, and there was a lot of other details in the earnings report that was very just prosperous. A few weeks ago, they did do some downsizing within their they did have some layoffs, and like every tech company right now. So they did take advantage of just the market conditions to kind of really hyper focus on their team and positive numbers. Now their net income is still negative. That is true. They're negative, but it was lower than what was expected than before. So that allowed the stock to shoot up about 48%. It's trading around $2 and some change now. From previously, it was about $1.48.
Still underneath $1 billion market cap, guys.
That is the major key, guys. So when we presented you guys this, it was actually roughly a little bit above $1 billion when it was $10, but now it's under $1 billion, which is technically a small cap, a micro cap stock. And what we really, and we want to keep re-emphasizing about why we love this company, regardless of kind of where the stock price is at, is that it is in an industry that we believe is only growing. Additive manufacturing, 3D printing is a sector that is continuing to expand. More and more companies, as they try to become more efficient in this new world of in this new economy, they're becoming more efficient. They're going to have to upgrade their technology and improve on their efficiencies. And 3D printing, additive manufacturing is a through line to that. So it's a narrative that isn't going away. You know, regardless of whatever the stock price, up or down, this narrative is only going up.
Only going up, guys. We believe in this company so much. Desktop metal. Again, we'll be bringing you guys daily, weekly videos, breaking down their earnings report, breaking down their progress, breaking down their new projects, their new initiatives. So many things happening with this company. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you want to be around. This company is perfectly positioned to be a rocket ship in the next 5 to 10 years. Don't miss out. Make sure to hit that subscribe. Guys, happy hunting out there. As always, we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.